Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathematic Workbook Standard 5th. Today we'll see our third chapter, Continuations. How many squares? In the previous video, part 1, we have seen main 1 and main 2. Today we'll see main 3. See, first of all, read the questions. Represent the area. Okay, today we will study about the area. In the previous video, I have shown about the perimeter. Perimeter means what? Outside measurement. And area. Area means inside measurement. What you have to remember? Area means inside measurement. In different way as per example. Represent the area in different ways as per the example. Now see. Example is given 12 square centimeter. See, 12 square centimeter means how you have to count in an area inside. Okay, so here it's a given. In the another example, you have to draw the box. Okay, measurement is a given, but you have to draw the box. Here the box are already given. See, 4 3s are 12. 12 square centimeter, how you have to count? See, area means inside, means the inside box you have to count. Okay, so this one square वो 1 centimeter का है. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, see, in this line 4 squares are there. And in the vertical line 3 squares are there. Okay, standing line में 3 square है and sleeping line में 4 square है. 4 multiplied by 3. And another example, here it's a 6 square. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 squares are 1 centimeters के square में. And here it's a 2. Okay, so total 12 square centimeter is there. Total 12 squares are there. So how you have to write down in the unit? Square centimeter. Whenever you have to mention the area अगर आपको mention करना है, then you have to write down square centimeter. If you write centimeter only, then your answer is wrong. You have to write down compulsory this square. Then only you get the area. Otherwise ये area है, it's वो possible ही नहीं है. Okay, so you have to mention area, you have to write down square centimeter. Now see the first one 18 square centimeter. So I have taken here 9 multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18. Okay, so here this line I have mentioned here 9 squares. How I have mentioned? Take a scale. See here, this way you have to take a scale and 1 centimeters के square है. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And here it's a 2 squares. 1 centimeter के 2 squares है. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Here it's a 9 square and here it's a 2 square. Okay, so 9 multiplied by 2, it's a 18. So 18 square centimeter. Now similarly, see the second one, 20 square centimeter. So I have taken here 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, so standing line में 4 squares are there. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 centimeters you have to draw the line, and in that 4 square you have to mention here. And in this sleeping line, okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 squares are there. 5 centimeter sleeping line and 4 centimeter it's a standing line. Okay, height में आपको ड्रॉ करनी है 4 centimeter and base में 5 centimeter. Then you get the 20 square. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now see 24 square centimeter. Okay. So here I have measured 6 centimeter. Okay. And this one is the 4 centimeter. So 1 centimeter के 4 square यहाँ पे आएंगे. And 6 centimeter है तो 1 centimeter के 6 squares आएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And total it's become a 24 square centimeter. And 6 fours are भी 24 है. And another way 12 twos are भी 24 होता है. Okay. So both the way you can able to draw. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay. So 6 multiplied by 4 I have drawn here and it's become a 24 square centimeter. Now see the fourth one you have to do by your own, but I give you some hint. 16 square centimeter is there. So both the way you can able to draw either 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, 4 4s are भी 16 होता है, or 8 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are भी 16. You can able to draw it. Now see the next page. See the main 4. Find and write the area of the shapes given below. Here also what you have to mention here? Area. Okay. So area means you have to count down the inside. Okay. Inside the figure. Not the outside. Outside means perimeter and inside means area. And here the square is given 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. See how you have to count it. First of all count, this arrow is given, this shape is given. So first of all you have to count down the full square. जो square complete है, that square you have to count out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 squares are complete. So 6. This 2 half means 1 square. 2 half means 1 square. And here also 2 half means 1 square. Here it's a 6. This 2 means it's a 7. And this 2 means it's a 8. So 8 you have to mention here area. So 8 square centimeter you have to write down here. What you have to write down? 8 square centimeter. How you have to count down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one 7 and this one 8. 2 half means 1 square. 2 half means 1 square you have to take. Now similarly see the second one. First of all जो figure दिया है, in that figure first of all count down the complete square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 6 is there. This 2 half means it's a 1. So it's a 7 and this 2 half means again 1. So this one 7 and this one 8. So again write down, you have to mention here area. Okay, area. So write down 8 square centimeter. Now see the third one. It's not hard. This chapter is not hard. It's easy. But you have to do with the care. Okay, you have to do carefully. Now see this shape is given. Okay, so here also you have to find out the area of the shapes. Now see all the squares are complete squares. So it's easy to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so write down 11 square centimeter. Now see the fourth one. See how you have to count. First of all count the complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this 2 half means it's a 6 and this, okay, you have to take 1. So this 6 and it's a 7. So 7 square centimeter. Now see the fifth one. See, first of all count the complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 2 means it's a half. 2 half means 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 square centimeter. Now see the sixth one. All the squares are complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So write down here 5 square centimeter. Now see the next page. See main 5. First of all read the question. Find and write the area of the stems. Here also you have to find out the area. Area means inside the shapes. Okay, here stamp is given. So inside the stem given below. One box is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. Okay, so first of all you have to see the stems, and in that stems how many squares are covered, that you have to count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How many squares? 18. And you have to write down area. So in the answer, how you have to write down? See the answer. 1, 18 square. So 18 square centimeter. Now see the second one. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 square. So how you have to write down the area? 8 square centimeter. In the second one, 8 square centimeter. You have to mention it. Now see the third stem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many square? 6 square. So how you have to write down in the answer? Third one, 6 square centimeter. Now see the fourth one. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 squares. So in the answer 4. 12 square centimeter. Now see the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares it's cover? 4. So you have to write down here in the fifth one 4 square centimeter. You have to write down area. So 4 square centimeter. Now see the sixth one. Sixth stamp. Okay. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many square it's cover? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 square it's cover. So in the answer you have to write down the sixth one. Sixth answer this time 12 square centimeter. You have to write down area. So 12 square centimeter. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.